The London Crossrail project, rebranded as the Elizabeth Line in honor of Queen Elizabeth II, is a monumental venture that underscores the capabilities of modern engineering and urban planning. With a projected cost exceeding £18 billion, it is Europe's largest construction project and represents a significant leap forward in public transportation for one of the world's busiest cities. Let's dive into the details, origins, and historical context. The vision for an east-west rail link through London is not new. The concept can be traced back to post-World War II reconstruction plans, but financial and political hurdles delayed its realization for decades. It wasn't until the 1970s and 1980s that serious feasibility studies were conducted. The increasing strain on London's existing transport infrastructure, driven by population growth and urban expansion, highlighted the urgent need for a new transit solution. In 2008, the Crossrail Act was passed, giving the green light for construction. This legislation marked the culmination of years of planning, lobbying, and public consultation. The project was designed not only to alleviate congestion on the London Underground, but also to support the city's economic growth by enhancing connectivity. Engineering marvel. The sheer scale of the Crossrail project is staggering. It involves the construction of 42 kilometers of new tunnels beneath central London, connecting 40 stations, including 10 entirely new ones. The tunnels, each with a diameter of 6.2 meters, were constructed using 8 giant tunnel boring machines, TBMs, named after famous British women such as Ada and Victoria. These machines operated 24 hours a day, moving at a pace of around 100 meters per week. A notable engineering challenge was the proximity of the tunnels to existing structures. The new tunnels pass just meters beneath some of London's most iconic buildings and landmarks, requiring precision engineering to avoid any damage. Advanced techniques such as compensation grouting were used to stabilize the ground and protect historic sites. The stations themselves are feats of modern architecture and engineering. Designed by leading architects, each station has a unique character, blending functionality with aesthetic appeal. Canary Wharf, one of the most striking stations, features a roof garden that brings natural light into the subterranean space. Tottenham Court Road and Liverpool Street stations have been transformed into major transport hubs, seamlessly integrating with existing services. Environmental impact. Sustainability has been a core principle of the Crossrail project. Environmental considerations were embedded from the planning stages through to construction and operation. During construction, efforts were made to minimize the project's carbon footprint. This included the use of electric and low-emission construction vehicles and machinery, reducing the reliance on diesel-powered equipment. Excavated materials from the tunnels were transported to Wallacea Island in Essex, where they were used to create a new wetland habitat for wildlife. This innovative approach to waste management turned a potential environmental liability into a valuable ecological asset. The new trains on the Elizabeth Line are also designed with energy efficiency in mind. They feature regenerative braking systems, which capture energy during braking and feed it back into the power supply. The stations incorporate energy-saving technologies such as LED lighting and advanced heating and cooling systems. Economic impact. The economic implications of the Crossrail project extend far beyond improved transportation. By enhancing connectivity, it supports economic growth in various ways. The project has already stimulated significant investment in areas along the route, with property values rising and new developments emerging. Crossrail is expected to add £2 billion to the UK economy. It will create an estimated 55,000 new jobs and support an additional 100,000 jobs in the wider economy. The improved transport links are particularly beneficial for businesses in central London, reducing travel times and increasing productivity. Moreover, the project has had a positive impact on the UK's construction and engineering sectors. It has provided valuable experience in managing large-scale infrastructure projects and has driven innovation in construction techniques and materials. Cultural integration. One of the most exciting aspects of the Crossrail project is its integration with London's cultural fabric. The design of the new stations respects and enhances the city's heritage. Public art installations have been commissioned for several stations, turning them into spaces that celebrate London's rich artistic traditions. For instance, Paddington Station features a stunning sculpture by British artist Spencer Finch, while Tottenham Court Road showcases vibrant mosaics by the renowned artist Edoardo Palazzi. These artworks not only beautify the stations but also provide a sense of place and identity. Crossrail also intersects with several of London's cultural landmarks, including the Barbican, the West End, and the Museum of London. This connectivity enhances access to cultural and recreational activities, making it easier for residents and visitors to explore the city's diverse offerings. Challenges and solutions. The Crossrail project faced numerous challenges, both technical and logistical. One of the most significant was the discovery of archaeological remains during excavation. London is a city with a rich history, and digging through its underground inevitably unearthed relics from the past. Over 10,000 artifacts were recovered, including Roman pottery, medieval coins, and even a burial ground from the Great Plague. Future prospects. The future of the London Crossrail project, known as the Elizabeth Line, is filled with promising prospects. Planned expansions could see the line extended to key commuter towns beyond its current endpoints, enhancing regional connectivity. Technological advancements, such as automated train operations and real-time data analytics, will improve efficiency and passenger experience. Continued commitment to environmental sustainability will likely involve the adoption of more energy-efficient and possibly fully electric or hydrogen-powered trains. Economically, Crossrail is set to drive further growth, attracting businesses and fostering urban regeneration in areas along the route. Socially, it will promote greater inclusivity and accessibility, enhancing the quality of life for millions. Additionally, the project will continue to influence global urban transit systems, serving as a benchmark for future infrastructure projects worldwide. The completion of Crossrail marks the beginning of a new chapter in London's transport history. The Elizabeth Line is expected to carry over 200 million passengers annually, significantly easing congestion on other lines and providing faster, more reliable travel across the city. Future expansions and enhancements are already being discussed, with potential extensions to key areas beyond the current route. Personal stories. Behind the statistics and engineering feats are the personal stories of those who brought Crossrail to life. From the engineers who worked tirelessly underground to the local residents who witnessed the transformation of their neighborhoods, these stories add a human dimension to the project. Interviews with workers and testimonials from Londoners highlight the project's impact on everyday lives. Invitation to the video. To truly appreciate the scale and significance of the London Crossrail project, we invite you to watch our in-depth video. Through stunning visuals and expert commentary, the video delves into every aspect of the project, bringing to life the challenges, triumphs, and future potential of Crossrail. Whether you're an engineering enthusiast, a history buff, or simply curious about one of the most significant transport projects of our time, this video offers a comprehensive and engaging look at the Elizabeth Line.